Hey there, lovely peoples. Welcome to our cozy corner of the internet. Today we are chatting about something we all adore, making our homes extra snuggly and inviting. You know that feeling when you walk into the door and it is like a warm hug just wrapped around you. Well, stick around because that is exactly what we are aiming for in today's lifestyle home decor exploration. Now we are not talking about some fancy highbrow interior designs that requires a PhD in aesthetics. No, we are diving into the real deal, practical, down to earth tips to make your space feel like your space. So whether you are a seasoned decorator or just someone looking to add a sprinkle to charm of their living room, you are in the right spot. We have got ideas, inspiration, and the whole lot of heart to share. So grab your favorite mug, find a comfy spot, and let's turn your place into a haven together. Imagine this. You walk into your home and it feels like a warm hug, right? Well, that is the vibe we are aiming for in this section. First off, let's talk about the basics. Blankets, cushions, soft stuff. Those are the superheroes of coziness. You want your space to scream comfort, and these little things do the trick. Now, on to the fun part, personalization. It is like telling your story without saying a word. How? Well, think about what makes you smile. Maybe it is quirky lamp or a funky wall art pieces. Scatter this around and suddenly your home is not just a place, it is your place. We are keeping it simple, no need for fancy world or expensive stuff. It is all about making your space feel like you, where every nook and cranny has a touch of your personality. Dive into the magic of colors for you home decor journey. Imagine picking colors for your space like choosing the shades of your favorite cozy sweater. It is all about creating a vibe that feels just right for you. You don't need a degree in art, just trust your instinct. Think of your wall as a canvas waiting for your personal touch. Soft blues can turn in calming feel like a clear sky on a sunny day. Want warmth? Earthy tones like browns and oranges got you back, giving off that cozy autumn feel. And don't forget pops of colors like cushions or artwork. They are like sprinkle up a cupcake, making adding that extra bit of joy to your home. So next time you are in the paint easel, trust your gut and let the colors tell your home's unique story. Let's chat about bringing a bit of nature into your home. It is like giving your space a breath of fresh air. You don't need a green thumb for this, just a sprinkle of authentium. First off, think about plants, not the high maintenance ones that demands constant attention. We are talking about the resilience buddies that can survive a bit of neglect. Consider succulents and snake plants. They add a touch of green without being too demanding. Pop them on the windowsill or the cozy corner and voila, instant nature infuse. Now let's go forget the wonders of natural light. It is like a magic wand for your space. Open those curtains wide during the day, let the sunshine in, and watch your place transform. If you are not blessed with tons of natural light, worry not. Some cleverly placed mirrors can bounce the existing light around, giving your home a brighter and more outdoors feel. So whether it is a tiny plant or your desk and playing some sunlight bringing nature is all about keeping it simple, easy, and most importantly, making your home feel like a little slice of the great doors. Creating multiple functional space is like giving your room a superhero cap. It can do so much more than you think. First off, think about furniture that pull double duty. A comfy sofa during the day can transform into a cozy bed at night, saving you space and adding a personal touch. It is like having a guest room without dedicating a whole room to it. Now let's chat about storage. That is not just boring shelves. How about ottomans or coffee tables with secret compartment? They keep your space tidy without shooting storage to everyone. And don't forget the power of versatility in decor. A dining table that moonlights as a workspace or a side table that can be a mini bar. These simple tweaks make your space work smarter, not harder. Multifunctional spaces are not just a trend. They are a practical way to make everyday square foot count in your home. So go ahead, embrace the magic of multifunctionality and watch your space transform into a dynamic and efficient haven for everyday living. Alright, folks, we have covered a bunch of cool stuff for sprucing up your place. Remember, it is all about making your home comfy and uniquely you. Whether it is adding pop of colors, trying out some dye funds, and inviting nature in, small changes can make a big difference. Your space, your rules. Let those personal touches shine. And hey, don't stress about perfection. It is your home.